Hey guys, I am CJ Strada. Hey guys, CJ Strada. Hey guys, I am 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 CJ Strada. Welcome back to another video. This is just gonna be a short video because I just want to say thank you guys. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude sa inyo ha sa pagsuporta sa akoa up until karon. Sukat pa sa una nga nagsugod ko og kanang creative content. I started vlogging when I discovered about this one through my friends in the blogging world, blogosphere, as they say. And I didn't know that it's gonna be as fun as this one, so I decided to pursue this one and live low sa akong travel blog nga for Idlagan. And it's been like 2 years since, it's been like almost 3 years na since I am doing this thing. And I started with traveling using a smartphone and vlogging using a smartphone until such time that I was able to save up for a camera nga inani nga SLR, and surviving yapon na akong baby dire. Surviving yapon siya. And I hope survive yapon siya. Wala ko'y kwarta. And yes, so I mean my goals were just to share what life has to offer, like the beauty of our world, and you know, and to send message to travel responsibly, like leave no trace, take nothing but pictures, kill nothing but time, and leave nothing but footprints. And I'm so happy that I am shortlisted as top 3 of the best Cebu video blogs 2020 from the BCBA, or the best Cebu Blogs Award. I mean, I did not expect to be shortlisted again, because my content this year is not that, you know, my content actually changed this year because of the COVID-19 pandemic. And as you all know, we cannot travel for leisure as much as we do before because of that. And my content shifted from travel to something like a day in a lifestyle video blog post, whatever it is, and updating, like when this pandemic was still in its heights. I'm constantly updating every week, every Sunday, 7 p.m. and yeah, sometimes my videos get so random that I don't even know why I still do this. I even question myself why I still do this, because sometimes I'm just tired to film and shoot and edit, and I'm getting lazy day by day. So I don't know, maybe I'm just tired and maybe I just need some break. But I will still keep on creating content for you guys, especially for you who supports me up until today. And even though my content is not the best content of all the world, but thank you, salamat. Daghang salamat sa inyong pagsuporta, and thank you so much for nominating me of the Cebu Best Vlog Award. I don't expect to win, because obviously my co-top 3 sa award is the Meljean Solon, Margrette and Meljean. Wow, di ba? Amazing kayo. Usala ko sa kanang aliping sa gigilid ato sa ora nga. I'm just happy nga part ko sa top 3. So salamat kayo. Stay tuned for updates, and best of luck to all of us. Sa nominees ako mga friends sa lain-lain categories, and best of luck to all of us, and share peace and love.